Presenting OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone. This smartphone is available in Celadon Marble and black color variants. It has an 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, which is expandable up to 1TB. It comes with dual 5G SIM slots. The phone features a 6.7-inch Pro XDR12 AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus and ultra-smooth refresh rate of 120Hz. It also has Aqua Touch that helps you stay swiping, even with wet hands. It has a Sony LYT 650MP camera sensor with OIS and 8MP Sony ultra-wide lens that ensures you get more stable and clearer pictures. With its flagship-level RAW HDR algorithm, OnePlus Nord CE4 has better photography performance when taking portraits in sunny day. It comes with Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14. It is powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform. The smartphone is equipped with 100-watt SuperWalk charging and 5500 mAh battery. The 100-watt SuperWalk fast charging boosts your phone to 100% power in 30 minutes. The box includes a power adapter, USB cable, phone case, and a SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.